Hey everyone, welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. My name is Diana, and in this video we are making these soft and delicious lemon sugar cookies. To make these, add flour, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and salt to a mixing bowl. Then whisk those together until they are well combined. Set aside your dry ingredients and then grab your lemons so that you can zest them and juice them. You can either use a microplane or a grater with small holes like this to get the zest off of your lemons. I'm looking to get about 1.5 teaspoons of lemon zest from these. After I zest them, I squeeze the juice out, making sure there's no seeds in there. Then in a stand mixer, or if you prefer, you can use a hand mixer, I'm going to cream together my butter and sugar. Start out on low speed and gradually increase the speed to medium. Once it's on medium, let it mix for 3 minutes until your sugar and butter is looking lighter and fluffier. I'm using a rubber spatula to scrape down my paddle and bowl. Then I'm adding egg, vanilla extract, the lemon juice, and lemon zest. And then optionally you can add food coloring. This just helps your cookies to have a little bit more of a lemon look to them. I'm going to mix that on medium speed, 30 seconds up to 1 minute, just until it's combined. Then I'm going to grab my dry ingredients and add them all at once. And mix them on low. I like to kind of start out by pulsing the mixer so that the flour doesn't fly up into my face. And then once it's combined a little bit, I go ahead and turn it on low and mix it for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to stop and scrape down my bowl just to make sure all the flour gets incorporated. Then I'm going to mix that on low for another 15 to 30 seconds just to bring it all together. Once you've done that, just scrape down your paddle and remove your bowl. And then you can use your rubber spatula to mix it one last time by hand, making sure that you scrape the bottom of the bowl, get all the flour off the sides, and make sure it's all incorporated. The dough is really sticky at this point, so don't touch it with your hands. You're going to use a cookie scoop or 2 spoons to drop the cookie dough into a prepared baking sheet. I've lined my baking sheet with parchment paper, and I'm dropping down 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and making sure to place them at least 2 inches apart so that they'll have room to spread. I'm placing this into my oven that has preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and these are going to bake for 10 to 14 minutes just until the edges very slightly start to brown. Then let them cool on the tray for at least 5 minutes before you remove them. Then you are ready to eat your delicious, chewy, soft, lemony sugar cookies. If you are interested in the recipe, you can find all the details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.